How to add your university to your profile on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your university to your profile on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile. Now click these 3 points here and then click edit profile. Now scroll down until you find the interests, education, and here's it. Click higher and now click add university. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.